Once you are again at a stage जहाँ पर ये क्वेश्चन करेगा आप लोगों से which type of installation is needed. Do you need standalone MySQL server or InnoDB? So click on standalone. Standalone will essentially mean that your machine is a server itself. So go ahead with that.
What is the next step to do, sir?
Next screen will be showing you option to choose from a standalone MySQL server. Do you want to install, or do you want to
Hello.
install a InnoDB cluster? So check standalone and just next.
So there's another installation page which is installing
Yes, sir.
one by one, sir. Everything is installing one by one, sir.
Srihari, I am making you presenter. You can share the screen for me for once. Share the screen, please. You are the presenter now.
Hello.
Okay, let it happen. Let it happen. This is good. This means setup is running fantastic. Everybody here? सभी लोग यहाँ पर आ गए? ऐसे इंस्टॉलेशन पे आ गए होंगे कहीं? Sumit, you can't hear me. Am I audible to all? It seems like Sumit, my connection is working just fine. So just tweak your connection for once. Maybe join back if you wish to. Let this installation run. Just let these installations run. I will join back. Devesh, ODBC 8.2 got failed. It should not have. Devesh, can you share the screen? I'm making a presenter. Devesh, I think you have run past the MySQL root password. Is it so? Okay, your username will be root and password, whatever password you have set, and just try it. Username is root, ROOT. And password आप लोगों ने जो भी set किया होगा, I would you can skip the password, but it is recommended that it should be there, just in case. Others, you just have to take care of one thing. While setting the password, there will be default options. I'm taking back a screen, Devesh. I don't think anything specific here. Okay, it will happen. When you are setting the root server, यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसे ऑप्शंस आ रहे होंगे. IP address, that's okay. User is root. Whether you want to set password, that's okay. Set the password. Some easy password which you can recall easily. And if not, you can skip the password part altogether. Your port should be 3306. That is something you should see. Usually 3306 ही होगा सब लोगों का.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible. Siddharth.
So after installation, another page came up, availability page.
Availability.
Yes, I don't know, high availability it says. Should I share my screen and show you?
Okay. Siddharth, you are presenter now. Share the screen. Let me see. हाँ, यहाँ पर सिद्धार्थ मैं बोल ही रहा था, स्टैंड अलोन MySQL सर्वर यू हैव टू चूज. द बाय डिफॉल्ट भी वो स्टैंड अलोन पे ही है. क्लिक नेक्स्ट. Rest others who are also stuck, please follow this Siddharth screen. I will stay with Siddharth for now. So leave everything to default Siddharth. Port is 3306. Fantastic. बस यहाँ पर यही चेक
Yes.
करने वाली चीज है that port number should be 3306. तो सभी लोगों का वही होगा, वैसे तो बाय डिफॉल्ट वही सेट होगा.
Okay.
Protocol port that is okay, that is 33060. Okay. So this is the default setting. Click next, Siddharth. And now it is it will prompt you for setting a password. So it is recommended that you should use a password. Click next, Siddharth. Okay. All yours, Siddharth. Set the password. A password which you can remember easily. It should be intuitive to SQL so that you can recall के SQL कैसे login करना है.
Weak हो गया sir.
Let it be, no problem. You can remember ना. Your machine is going nowhere.
Yes sir.
Anyway, your machine is not containing SPH data. Go ahead. Now it will jump you to configure MySQL Server as a Windows service. Very fine. Start the MySQL Server at the system start. And default. Very fine. Next. Fire.
Execute.
Yes, again it has brought you to a list and it will install these essentially just execute. After check requirements, just go ahead, Sumit. कौन सा स्क्रीन आ रहा है जस्ट अगले नेक्स्ट करने के बाद चेक रिक्वायरमेंट में एग्जीक्यूट किया होगा आपने सुमित इंस्टॉलेशन हो रहा होगा ठीक है लेट इट बी एग्जीक्यूट किया तो इंस्टॉलेशन कर लोगे इंस्टॉलेशन के बाद वो दिखाएगा कि नाउ देयर आर अ फ्यू लेफ्ट जिनका इंस्टॉलेशन नहीं हुआ है एंड इट विल शो द स्टेटस मैनुअल just leave that and go to next. Aparna, I will. Okay. Siddharth, click finish. It is done. Soon I'll see to it. Just stay there. I'll see to it. What has gone wrong? Okay. Next, Siddharth. यहाँ से भी next कर दीजिए.
Next.
Yeah. Okay. Now it is showing you the port number is 3310. अच्छा, that is test connection root. It should not have. Okay. Finish. ठीक है.
Finish.
Next. Configuration complete. Configuration not needed. Ready to configure. यहाँ तक सभी लोग पहुंचे होंगे. हाँ, यहाँ तक सब लोग पहुंचे होंगे. नाउ वी आर टेस्टिंग कनेक्शन कि हमारा एंटर द पासवर्ड यूजर नेम इज रूट. इफ एवरीबॉडी विद मी टिल नाउ. यस सुमित, इंस्टॉलेशन में टाइम तो लेगा. प्रसून, यहाँ तक आप भी पहुंचे होंगे आई बिलीव. अपर्णा, विष्णु, मैंने आपको इंस्टॉलेशन गाइड मेल कर दी है. तो यू एंटर द रूट पासवर्ड. प्रसून, यहाँ तक पहुंचे थे आप लोग अप्लाई कॉन्फ़िगरेशन तक. ओके. Setup got failed. Okay, maybe you have to restart. Okay, you are starting again. It should not have failed. Okay, username root, password, check it. And yes, your connection is ready.
Succeeded. Next.
Just stay. Let's others come to it. सभी लोग हो गए यहाँ पे, चेक हो गया होगा। डिड एवरीबडी चेक इट? हियर 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 हियर। ओके, Shri Hari, done. Others, give me a yes. Okay, Sumit, you will catch up in a while. बाकी लोग क्या हुआ? 10-12 लोग हैं यहाँ पे। अदर देन सिद्धार्थ, वो स्क्रीन तो मैंने ले ली। संकल्प डन, श्रीहरि डन, फैंटास्टिक। संजना, देवेश हैज रीस्टार्टेड, ओके। अपर्णा, प्रसून यहाँ तक आप पहुँचे थे, इससे आगे की बात कर चलो देख लेंगे अभी। उत्कर्ष विद मी, वसुंधरा, वरुण विद मी। हाई अवेलेबिलिटी में सेलेक्ट स्टैंड अलोन एसक्यूएल सर्वर्स, सुमित। सेटअप फेल हुआ, यू आर स्टार्टिंग अगेन, ओके। Okay, if you click on next, check it for once. Apply configuration, it is checking if there is an running script. Okay, execute. यहाँ से execute करिए both of them, and let's see, दोनों execute हो जाने चाहिए। Okay, Varun, no problem. I am recording this session and it will be available to you by tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Yes, set a password, Sumit. Well, Siddharth, it is done. Finish. So you see, Siddharth, it is giving your status. All the configurations are complete. That is your cue that your MySQL is on fire. It's ready to. It's
So I should click next now.
ready to roll. Yes.
Finish. Done, sir.
Apply configuration में. Okay, Sumit, wait. I'm taking your screen again. Let's see. Sumit, you are presenter now. Again, it is that apply configuration page. वहाँ पर वापस आए हैं जिन लोगों का नहीं हुआ था, like प्रसून फेस सम प्रॉब्लम, शिवांग का ड्रॉप हो गया था, देवेश का भी शायद ड्रॉप हो गया था बीच में। यहाँ तक आप लोग आ गए होंगे। जस्ट एग्जीक्यूट, इट विल इंस्टॉल ऑल दीज स्टेप फाइल। एग्जीक्यूट। चेंजिंग डेटाबेस सर्वर, इसमें कोई और भी इंस्टॉल्ड है क्या सुमित? कोई और एसक्यूएल यूटिलिटी इंस्टॉल्ड है क्या? Prasoon, okay, and that's ठीक है. It will keep happening for Sumit. Prasoon, I wish to take your screen. You're presenter now. Let's share the screen. Check. Connection failed.
So cancel कर दूँ सब, restart करूँ setup एक बार.
Just cancel it for once. हाँ. Do it. Connection ही drop हो गया. Then there nothing much can be done. Configuration cancelled. Configuration not needed. Configuration cancelled. Okay. Good. It says just.
इसको पूरा restart करके देखो क्या?
No need to go that. Just here on the left hand panel, you see that choosing a step type, setup type. Click on that. Click here.
नहीं हो रहा है.
It is dead.
Select नहीं हो रहा
Installation is also dead. Is it so?
है. हाँ, dead है.
Okay. Maybe
वही next option.
maybe restart. Then restart. Give it a restart.
ठीक.
That will do.
Okay.
Okay. Meanwhile, Smith, your presenter again. Just show me what's going on. So now, Sumit, you see the status. Your server and router both are configuration ready. So click next. Very fine. Status set. Port number set. Finish. Finish. नीचे. Okay. Configuration not needed. Okay. Very fine. Next. And now you see MySQL Server 8.0.20, port number this, archived at this, standalone server, and status is running. The SQL Server is ready to go ahead. Your username is root, password, whatever password you set, just enter that. Yes, Sanjana, you have to select standalone there. Okay. Execute. Sumit. Let it take its time. Let it again. We are just in finalizing state. अरे किसका माइक ऑन है भाई? कौन कूट रहा है अपने लैपटॉप को इतनी बुरी तरह? मतलब कूट लो, तुम्हारे लैपटॉप है, लेकिन माइक तो बंद कर लो. Okay. Thank you. Whosoever it was. सभी लोग मोर और लेस आसपास आ गए होंगे. Yes, संजना, choose the password of your own choice, जो आपको याद रहे. और okay, Sumit, finally finish. Okay, Another finishing touch required. Next. Finish. What is this? This black screen. अगर किसी ने MS DOS में काम किया होगा, it is SQL shell. It is called shell. तो जैसे SQL का shell आप देख रहे हो, ऐसे ही. Just Sumit, minimize it for once. Let me show the shell. चलो ये वो मैं दिखा लूँगा अपने आप. ठीक है, Sumit, you are done with it. Anybody who needs me to come to their screen. So soon it is still a problem. Let me come to your screen once again. Okay. So soon share the screen.
Reconfigure कर रहा हूँ तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा।
If you want to reconfigure and it is not reconfiguring,
नहीं हो रहा, उसके बाद भी नहीं हो रहा। पासवर्ड डालता हूँ।
Prasoon, can you? I am requesting you control. Just give me mouse and keyboard control.
Yes.
Okay. I don't think it is allowing me control even.
Okay, फिर से वो करना। यार दिखा रहा है।
It's showing me that I have control, but I don't have control actually.
और फिर से इसको ट्राई करिए तो कुछ।
Okay. Oh, okay. Let's do one more. जब यहाँ चेक रिक्वायर्ड वाला स्क्रीन आता है प्रसून, जरा यहाँ तक देखोगे जरा एक बार यहाँ पर चेक रिक्वायरमेंट्स में क्या क्या दिखा रहा है आप लोगों को? विजुअल सी तो नहीं दिखा रहा है आपके? If it is Visual Studio, then it is okay. If it is Python, then it is okay. It should not be C. It should not be Visual C. ये तो नहीं दिखा रहा है
सर सेटअप करने पे सेटअप वाला दोबारा क्लिक करो तो ये आ जा रहा है वो लिस्ट।
Okay, I'll hold for a while.
उसका लिस्ट।
Okay.
ये लिस्ट आ जिसमें
हाँ, यहाँ पर लिस्ट में कौन कौन आ रहे हैं?
सर वो वाला लिस्ट नहीं आ रहा है। इसका शेयर करूं स्क्रीन सर? आपको मैं दोबारा ये सेटअप का वो डबल क्लिक करके दिखा रहा हूँ क्या आ रहा है।
Okay. You are present now. Share screen again. Aparna, don't worry. I am coming to your screen also. Just a moment.
डायरेक्ट ये आ जाता है।
Okay, and what if? Okay, give me control.
Okay.
You have given me, but I don't have control. Okay, don't worry. Just go to that modify tab.
इसको सेलेक्ट करके हटा।
Yep. No need to select. I'll just see connector. C का connector is there. I think connector is there. Scroll down a little bit. Okay, click on this connector oblique C++. Double click. Open it. Let me see. And then double click on this down below connector on .NET. Connector oblique .NET नीचे आ रहा है. Double click.
Side में list.
Okay, cancel it. Everything seems hunky dory, nothing problem. Then do one thing, okay, Prasoon. As a last resort, we can do one thing. Just go to your control panel and uninstall this altogether. Whatever MySQL is.
Okay.
Whatever you
Okay.
see of MySQL, uninstall it and again run the installer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very fine. Aparna, you are presenter now. I wish to see your screen. Field connector ODBC. Okay. Aparna, can you give me control, please? I'm requesting you keyboard and mouse control.
Yeah, I'll give it.
Okay. Maybe GoToMeeting has decided not to help me today. Okay, Aparna, just click on next. देखते हैं.
Okay.
Not able to share control and it is safe samples and examples ready to execute that. Okay, करेगा. ठीक है, next Aparna. Samples हमें चाहिए, examples हमको चाहिए. And now it says no compatible server. To cancel this without and install one. A problem है. Okay. Okay, enter username as ROOT, Aparna, root. I am root. Enter the password. Whatever you have set, and click on that that check that box, show MySQL server. I think it is the same problem which Prasoon is facing. Click on this. You don't have server instances still. There is no server running. अभी show ही नहीं हो रहा है just. Something went wrong. Cancel it. Cancel. Configuration cancel दिखा रहा है. Okay. Again click on that installer. Again initiate that installation. जो installer आपने download किया था.
Do I just click on
that everything seems in place. Aparna, maybe you can do the same thing. Just go to your control panel, uninstall everything you see by MySQL, and
Okay.
again initiate this installation.
Okay.
ओके अदर्स जिनका इंस्टॉलेशन कंप्लीट हो गया है वो लोग अपने प्रोग्राम फाइल्स में इस समय देख पा रहे होंगे MySQL शेल, MySQL वर्कबेंच। आई जस्ट शो यू ऑन स्क्रीन जिन लोगों का इंस्टॉलेशन ठीक ठाक हो गया है। यहाँ अपने प्रोग्राम फाइल्स में यू विल सी दिस ऑल काइंड ऑफ लिस्ट। MySQL यहाँ पर मिल गया होगा। इट इज़ विंडोज 10, आपका विंडोज़ के अकॉर्डिंग अलग अलग दिखा रहा होगा। एंड ये दोनों चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट जो काम की चीज़ें हैं वो ये दिख रही होनी चाहिए, MySQL शेल, MySQL वर्कबेंच एंड हाँ अच्छा खासा लिस्ट है वो। दोज हु आर डन विद दिस, जिनके पास ये ठीक ठाक आ गया है, आई एम पॉजिंग द स्क्रीन है। नो जिन लोगों का इंस्टॉलेशन हो गया है ये लिस्ट उनको शो हो रहा है। जस्ट गिव मी अ यस एंड यू कैन टेक अ ब्रेक, गो फॉर अ कॉफी। जिनका अभी नहीं हुआ है उनको मैं बोल रहा हूँ अभी, बिकॉज मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, बिकॉज मैं कंट्रोल शेयर नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ आप लोगों के। तो एट द लास्ट रिजॉर्ट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज गो टू कंट्रोल पैनल, uninstall everything which you see by MySQL name and again run the installer। ठीक है, तो इधर वे इट शुड टेक यू 10 मिनट्स लगने चाहिए इसमें, 10-12 मिनट आप लोग चाहे कॉफ़ी पी रहे हो या चाहे रीइंस्टॉल कर रहे हो, तो एवरीबडी कैन बी ऑन ब्रेक। वेरी वेल गाइस, so it's 11:59 by my clock. Let's resume at 12:10. That will do for everyone. Okay guys, see you then. Okay, Devesh, okay, let's execute. Let's see what happens. Execute.
सर एग्जीक्यूट करना है या नेक्स्ट में क्लिक करना है?
Execute, execute. I wish you to execute this. Others who are here, please stay with this screen. This execute button will install, execute the installation of whatsoever is, okay, install. Maybe Aparna you are facing the same issue. Visual C++ अगर टूल नहीं होगा SQL कनेक्टर नहीं बना पाएगा। Once this is done, close. And now you see all other installations are done. There is one installation remaining, MySQL Visual Studio. Okay, leave it, or maybe give it a check for once. Requirement is still failing. Okay, leave it. Click on next. छोड़ दो इसको. Okay कर दो इसको. And okay, click next. Leave this. Execute. And okay, now installing. Sit back. Let it do its job. Aparna, you are facing the same issue. ऐसा ही कुछ हो रहा था. or maybe should I come to your screen also? अब ये इंस्टॉलेशन स्टार्ट हो गया है अपर्णा?
I started it, but there's a screen and still stuck. It's stuck. Do I need to select? Can I share my screen?
Sure, I'm making you presenter.
Okay.
Aparna, you are presenter now. You can share the screen.
Okay. I'm unable to share. I don't know why.
Aparna, your screen is not visible yet.
I'm trying to share, but I don't know what's happening.
This down below button, screen, should be activated by now.
Yeah, I can see that when I'm clicking on this button, it doesn't show me anything. It's not getting activated.
Something troublesome. Okay, now it is.
Okay.
Just show me the setup.
Okay, so on this screen, what do I need to select?
No. I said, Aparna, you just uninstall everything. Go to control
Yeah, I
panel.
have uninstalled. Okay.
And okay, because it is.
I've already uninstalled everything.
Let me see the.
Yeah.
It is still see whatever you are seeing by starting with MySQL, uninstall everything one by one, and I'll get back to you. Like,
I have uninstalled it. It came again. I uninstalled all these and it came just now again. It
You-
was already uninstalled and now when I installed it again, then it came again.
Okay, do one thing then. Where you have initialized the setup, close it, uninstall again, and restart for once.
Okay.
Uninstall everything which begins with MySQL, restart, and then let me know. Join the meeting. Let me know. I'll get back with you.
Okay.
Okay, Vasundhara, where you are stuck. Vasundhara, just switch on your mic and share the screen. All others, please mute yourself.
So I'm over here somewhere, and I don't know what to do after this.
Okay, just click on this one by one.
Oh, sorry, sir.
You are saying yes, this MySQL servers. Click on this.
Yes, sir.
Maybe double click. It will open it. Okay, double click. Let it expand. Let it expand. Yes, click on it. Let it expand. Is it Mac you are using? Is it so?
So sorry, repeat again.
Are you using Mac? I'm asking.
No, sir, Windows.
Click. Click on this, double click on this. MySQL Server 8.0. And this green arrow must be activated. That right arrow.
I'm doing it. Yeah.
It has come down. Click on applications below in the left list.
Yes, sir.
Why it is asking this time and again? Show me the list for your MySQL connectors. Last option, expand that. Last option, expand that to. Okay, you will have to select these one by one, Vasundhara.
Okay.
You can just like that, expand that and take it to that right pane. And when this list is complete, just click next. Some will install, some will fail.
So
Let me know then.
I've clicked on connector ODBC. Now
Hmm.
there are two more connectors which are coming. So do I need to swap both of them?
Swap both of them and let's see what is what. It is 6.4, other must be.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, both are gone. Very fine. Just the list should have been automatically populated, but okay, when it has not, then I've tried this.
So connector Python is not installed.
Leave it, no problem. I'm not worried about Python right now.
So should I click next now?
Just in the upper list, there was a list of applications also. You have to choose applications, Workbench at least. Shell and Work.
Yes,
Scroll up.
applications.
Yes,
Yeah,
choose Workbench and MySQL Shell.
Shell or Excel?
Shell.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Click next. Let's see what it has to say.
Should I click next or execute or what?
No, execute now. It will need Visual C++, the same problem they were facing. It will prompt you to installations, and once this
Okay, so
installation is complete, you may go ahead with next.
then I have to execute it.
Yep. After execute, you will
Okay,
move
so
on to next.
then it would be done.
After that will be routine. You will just have to take care of the port number. It should be 3306.
Yeah, that I read on your guide. Okay.
Okay, very fine. Anybody else who is still?
Thank you, sir.
Very welcome. Devesh, you are on the run. Prasoon, what about now? Prasoon turn. Fantastic. Okay, yes, Devesh, let it install all things. Okay. Meanwhile, I have mailed you another document. Just have a look at it. And if somebody has not received it, do let me know again. I might have skipped somebody's mail. Check it, have a look, just see what it is talking about. Share the screen once again. Vasundhara, mail may be in spam. Please check for once again. It is port 3306. हाँ ठीक है. Click next. It will prompt you to OK. It is set to password encryption. Click next. And it will prompt you to set.
Do I need to make any password here? ID password.
Your ID by default is root. You just have to देख रहे हो ना, root account password. You just have to set the password.
Password only.
हाँ. So just choose एक ठीक ठाक सा password रख लो if you wish to. Otherwise you can go back and skip this part altogether. Vasundhara Avasthi 62 at gmail.com. Maybe wait for a few seconds. Maybe मिल जाएगा यार. Gmail है ये. भारतीय डाक थोड़ी है कि खो जाएगी. जब भेजिए तो मिल ही जाएगा. Execute देवेश. स्पैम चेक कर लेना, शायद वहां चला गया स्पैम में. बल्क भेज रहा हूँ ना. Okay, got it. As I said, भारत डाक थोड़ी है. Anybody else who has not received this mail? सभी को मिल गया होगा. Just download the attachment and have a look at it. Just try to understand. Just give it a understanding. क्या मिल रहा है? What's referential integrity constants? Where is this coming from? I don't know what is that supposed to mean, Sumit. Where do you see this? Okay, it's all set. Configuration complete. Ready to configure. Next. No, you don't need to bootstrap it. Leave it. Next. Finish. You are almost done. Yes. Next. The server is connected. Very fine. Username is root. Password you already know. Check it. Check the connection. And your connection is a success. You are done, Devesh. Anybody else left? कौन सा मेल नहीं आया सुमित? You got a company database. Yes, that's the mail I sent. You got a company database mail. That is the mail I am talking about. That's the very mail. Okay. Okay, taking screen back. जो भी बोला है बंद कर दीजिए उसको. देखते हैं. I will talk about जो मेल अभी मैंने आप लोगों को भेजा है. What is that about? Okay, from here you had copy paste, Sumit. Let's not worry about it. Come to page number 2 and we'll talk about it. This PDF has a second page, and where is the data taken from is, I don't want to take credentials, so it is mentioned there. It is a book by El Masri and Nawate, so I have taken this instance from there. What it is talking about? से कल हम बात कर रहे थे कि अगर किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का डेटा होगा एंड इट कैन बी ऑल ओवर द प्लेस. एक डिपार्टमेंट अपना डेटा कहीं मेंटेन कर रहा है, एक डिपार्टमेंट कहीं अपना मेंटेन कर रहा है, एंड फाइनली किसने, सीईओ ने, if CEO asks that bring this data to my platter, I want to have a bird's view, and what he or she ends up getting is this PDF document that this is the data set of our employees. Go enjoy. You are getting the gist? So these are called tables. In a database there can be multiple tables. It is job of data engineer to bring these tables to the data server in a certain discipline, so that as and when required, all these tables can be put together and meaningful information can be extracted. Fair? कल ये बात हुई थी हम लोगों की. Many things we talked about. The problem, the solutions. So now your system is a database currently your system has become a SQL server. So we will see how this data can go to will be uploaded to server. Although you don't need to worry about it a lot because it is not your job anyway. Being analyst, you don't have to worry about how data gets on the server. But nitty-gritty things you should know. We are more interested in that when I will need to conduct my analysis, how to fetch that data in accordance, in compliance with the analysis required. As a matter of fact, initial stage of analytics can be done in SQL itself. SQL is that powerful. It is not only powerful to fetch the requisite data, you can conduct a certain level of analysis in SQL itself. You're getting these tables? It is just a dummy data set. Usually organization ऐसे नहीं होते हैं. Organizations have maybe hundreds of employees or maybe may go up to in few thousands. But it is just a dummy data set that if there are this many employees, they have some dependents. ऐसा ही data होता है ना? This is the way employees data looks like. A company's database will look like. Before we move ahead, you are very ready for SQL. Just stay kaput for some time. Hope it is visible. Whatever I am typing, I will be heavily using that notepad to convey. I don't have whiteboard here, so I will be using this. SQL के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे. So SQL is further divided as DDL. I don't know how many of you know this. DDL stands for, if somebody know, data definition language. Now what is that supposed to mean? Data definition languages which we use to define the data on the server. कि ये data server पे कैसा बैठेगा जाके. How this data will be sitting on the server. We are defining our data and data type. Fair? So these are called clause in SQL. We call them clause. What clause to use to do something? So DDL is the part जिसकी मैं अभी बात कर रहा था. What I was talking about just now, that you don't need to worry about it too much because it is eventually it is not part of your job, but you should know at least. These are like create, for example. I'm talking about what are the DDL clause. Create. You want to create something. You want to create a table, create a column, create a row, anything. It may be insert. You want to insert a new entry. So this is the clause to insert a new entry. Update. You want to update an existing table or maybe existing row. finally delete. These are 4 basic functions of DDL, and if you see, more or less everything can be done by these 4 commands. Yes or no? Yes or no? हो जाएगा कि नहीं? ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, महेश, fair? You may or may not agree, but Hinduism agrees with me. Everything can be done by these 4 things. Okay. Then there is called DML section. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. Yes, this is the part we are very much interested in. Data manipulation means, remember yesterday we were talking about data extraction. I need to extract the data, only that data which is relevant to my analysis, my further analysis, जो भी मेरे को करना है आगे, whatever I want to do. So what kind of clause you will be dealing here is select. You want to select a particular data. It will be from. You will need to pinpoint tables. What data you want to pick from where, right? You will be dealing with a where clause. Where clause, which means where you will mention your condition. For example, from yesterday's example, like we were talking about, if I'm analyzing something for a bank, and the problem statement is they want to float a certain promotional offer for female customers only on the occasion of Women's Day. So now I fetch the data with a condition. What is the condition? The gender should be female. I hope I am making sense. It is no way too off the beat. Is it so? Has there been too much for one day? ऐसा तो नहीं हो गया? अच्छा देवेश कह रहे हो तो हो ही जाएगा. हाँ सही बात है, मेरी मान लो, फिलहाल तो मेरी मान लो. अभी तो ऑप्शन ही क्या है. ठीक है, वेरी फाइन. Okay, so, and this is not the end. Many more. We will see. We will see. Then there are 2 more divisions to this. It is DCL, which is data control language, and there is 4 TCL, which is not data, it's data. Transaction control language. These things, the nitty-gritty I will discuss within SQL part. You will look at these 2 in detail when you will be dealing with big data in your next bimester. Fair? For now, we will stick to majorly to DDL and DML. Let's see what you have done so far. What you are. You see, MySQL installation contains many things. If I fire up MySQL This is Unicode, where's the shell? If I fire up MySQL shell, this is the place where any MySQL, any query of SQL will execute, where I will run any command, any function, any query of SQL, and it will give me the result. Maybe I'm just typing something. Hope it is readable. It has given an error, but that is inconsequential. It doesn't mean anything. I was just showing you something. So eventually query will run here, but as we see, it is not very friendly. Yes, not very intuitive. This interface is a bit dull. So that's where Workbench comes into picture. What Workbench is, again going to MySQL, where it is, and we go to MySQL Workbench. You can start it up, just see. And here it is telling you, वही जो हम कर रहे थे, we are a local instance right now. This machine itself is my server. Can we make other connections? Yes, we can. You see this MySQL connections and plus button. You can create as many connections as you want. You can say connection name. You can mention the IP address, port number, this. Let's not go there for now. So on our local server itself, we will upload this company data right now and see how it is done. So click on this, initiate this, and it will prompt you to the password, whatever password you have set. So now we have logged into our मोर और लेस ऐसा कुछ इंटरफेस आप देख पा रहे होंगे. Everybody with me till here? सभी लोग वर्कबेंच तक आ गए हैं, लॉगिन हो चुका है. Shell you can terminate for now. You don't need it. So let's start creating this database now. What MySQL Workbench does is this interface is a bit friendly and we will see how powerful it is. अभी मेरे को एक database बनाना है. You see this icon here? If you hover around this is, अरे ये वाला. If you hover on it, I hope it is visible. देख पा रहे होंगे आप लोग. ये देखा है ना ये वाला आइकन? कहाँ देखा है? मोमो के ठेले पे. If you hover your cursor on it, it is icon to create new schema. Now, what is schema? Schema is another word for a database. We will talk about it in next lecture. There is that is yet to come. So for now, so click on that. Create a new. It is to create a new schema in the connected server. What is the connected server? Your machine itself for now, and it prompts you to what is the name of the new schema. It is new schema for now. So I would like to call it company underscore DB. You can rename it. I'm calling it company database, or maybe complete name. I'm creating a company database. And apply. And you are on this screen. You know what is happening? Remember अभी शेल में मैं कुछ ऐसा ही टाइप कर रहा था, create a schema this. Actually I am supposed to what happened, Siddharth? Not here. What did you miss? Okay. See, if I am not facilitated by Workbench, Workbench is just a user interface which helps me to talk efficiently to the SQL shell. अगर SQL shell में मेरे को सारे चलाने पड़ते हैं, मेरे को I have to write a function like this for everything I need to do. Create schema this, which I just showed you. Here I don't need to run remember this syntax, remember this command. I just can create a schema with a click. Yet it is showing me that what command is going to run there. So the function, this command, this query is actually running in MySQL shell. Workbench is just interface. Fair? It is just like ATM. You are not worried about what is going behind the screen. You just need to enter your PIN and the amount, and you are done with. You don't need to bother about how it will communicate with the bank, your account number, and how everybody will know everything. Click on apply, and what happens? It executes this statement. It shows you the good news, and finish. So far so good. Once you are done with this, you see here on your top left corner, you see a company database name coming up here under the head schemas. After company database, ये company database ये तो हमने बनाया schema. Then there are other names written here, Sakila, Sys, Word. Where the hell do they come from? They are the sample databases which came in as part of your installation, just for practice sake, just to fun sake. Vasundhara, you only have Sys. You are on a 32-bit system? That might be the case. Siddharth, which schema is not coming? At the very least, this schema should have come, company database. On the left hand, schema is not come. Acha, left hand pe schema, you are not seeing this schema pane altogether. You click on this, Siddharth, you see it here. Here there are two tabs, admin, administration and schema. Click on schemas here and you will see. Highlight schemas here and you will see. Now it is done. Meanwhile, you can shut this, close this company database schema. We ran a command to create this schema. Now we can cut it. By default, this pane is open. This is your SQL script. This blank one. जो दूसरी यहाँ पर open हुई थी, you can close that. There is the cut sign here. Close sign. This is the place we will write our queries to do several jobs. Still tab is not showing. Siddharth, you are presenter now. Let me see. Okay, got it finally. So now we have the first table, that is employee table. So we have created the database and let's create this employee table. Here is the query to create a table named employee. And don't be overwhelmed by कि ये क्या आ गया. I will explain it word by word. You don't need to worry. After the schema, Srihari, nothing after the schema. See, I'll show you. What we want to do, जैसे ये PDF document में उन्होंने data भर के भेज दिया मेरे को. I want it to go to a company database server. Server is my machine. I want to create a company database there, जहाँ पर where this all the information will be logically put. I don't want to keep this PDF document. Now this PDF document contains many informations. One is employee table, one is departments table. Yes, it should be like that. It will happen, na? See, this is coming from say accounts department or maybe HR department. This is coming. This information is kept with admin department. This department. This is kept with projects. This is kept with operations department. So how we will do that? How we will deal with this? So we want a central repository. Some at one place there will be tables maybe different tables, but finally they should be there should be an integrated repository. So that's what we are trying to do. So first table is employee. I want to create an employee table in my database there in this SQL Server. So that's what we are trying to do. If we run this, the command is create table. We have just seen it is a DDL function. I want to create a table. Table name should be employee, and then in the bracket I am mentioning what is the column and what is the column's data type. Getting back a little while, I asked a question to you people. Many of you were there from coding background. Is there anybody who is not at all from coding background? Devesh, you are never into coding, okay? Somit, okay? Please speak up, guys. There is nothing to worry. हाँ, डरना नहीं इनसे, ये तो कोडिंग बैकग्राउंड से आए हैं, कुछ नहीं आता इन्हें, टेंशन नहीं है, बोलो तुम। ओके वरुण। Okay, Siddharth, that is more than enough. I'm talking about if there is not at all background. Okay. मैं क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ? Why I'm asking this is because of data types. Now data type should be a new thing you are hearing. Data type can be numeric, it can be character, or it can be logical. ऐसा कुछ सुना है? श्रीहरि, ड्रॉप डेटाबेस, we'll talk about that in detail. अभी हम बहुत सारी चीजें करने वाले हैं. ओके, लॉजिकल, ठीक है, ठीक है. तो है कुछ नहीं, इतनी लंबी चौड़ी बात नहीं है. इट इज जस्ट दैट आई नीड टू नो दैट व्हाट डू आई नीड टू डिस्कस, व्हाट डू आई नीड नॉट डिस्कस. बिकॉज यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर और कुछ नहीं किया है. यहाँ पर मैंने बताया मेरा टेबल नेम एम्प्लॉय है, अच्छी बात है. उस एम्प्लॉय में कॉलम नेम क्या क्या है, वो कहाँ से दिख रहे हैं, वो तो मेरे पीडीएफ डॉक्यूमेंट में है. Column name is F name, minute, L name. F name stands for first name, middle initial, last name, and so and so and so. What next I am mentioning is this is F name, this is the column name. And what is the data type of this column name? It is varchar 30. Then there is minute, I am saying char 1, varchar this, कहीं कैर है, कहीं वैकर है, कहीं डेट है, कहीं कुछ है. तो ओके, आई विल नॉट रश इट अप ऑल टुगेदर. लेट्स स्टे विद दिस फॉर नाउ ओनली. अभी जस्ट डोंट वरी अबाउट इट कि इनका मतलब क्या होता है. आई विल डिस्कस दैट एट लेंथ इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. फॉर नाउ, टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस क्वेरी you can see two buttons here. This is lightning one, a lightning sign with one in between. It is telling you it will run one query at a time. You click on query anywhere. This semicolon sign in the last, this is a mandate for every SQL query. There should be a semicolon sign. What does this mean? This means this query has ended here. This query is complete here. इसके आगे जो कुछ भी है, whatever is ahead of that, that is something new query. anywhere. You place your cursor and run this. And what do we see? We see here, down below, in the action output. This in the action output. Here you see what has happened by what you have run. यहाँ कहीं टिक आ रहा होगा, टिक आ रहा है मतलब execution successful. Here it is coming like cross. That means execution is not successful. It has failed due to something. Okay. So this is your action output. It has failed. Then there is message. This is Workbench trying to help you out. That what has gone wrong. What has gone wrong? Run करके देख लो. Run करके देख लो and tell me what has gone wrong. Can you understand? Can you get that? समझ आता है वो? Read the error. Read the error, Siddharth. This is something beautiful about Workbench. It communicates to you whether you have done something right, whether you have done something wrong. It is saying, what it is saying, no database selected. Select the default DB to be used. What it is telling you is that there is a company database. SQL can see there is a company database, there is Sakila database, there is world database. So where do you want to create this table? It cannot understand that. उसको वो नहीं पता. So how can we do that is just double click on this company DB database which you have created. Double click on that. जब डबल क्लिक किया आप लोगों ने ये बोल्ड में आ गया होगा. It should be highlighted now. Yes. So that's your queue. Now it is the default database. Now MySQL knows for which database we are running this query. If you wish to run it, the queries by keyboard, there is a shortcut for that also, which is Control plus Enter. The same job can be done by Control Enter also. Your cursor should be somewhere in the query. The query should be terminated by a semicolon, and you can Control Enter. Once you Control Enter, the query is run. See what happens this time. What is the action output? Everybody here? All set? What is the action output this time? Yes, this time it is not a failure. It comes just with a warning. Now again, Workbench is trying to warn you that what you have said, it is done, but there may be something wrong. Just have a look. Sumit, why? That's okay, but why? Why you are seeing me do SQL? It is you who need to learn SQL, not me. Yes, इसी में उसने कुछ वार्निंग दिया है. हम बात करेंगे इसकी भी कि उसने किस बात का वार्निंग दिया है. But for now, let's see. यहाँ पर कंपनी डेटाबेस में if you refresh it, refresh, यहाँ पर ऊपर schemas के सामने एक refresh बटन आ रहा होगा. You see that? We refresh it and we see यहाँ tables, जहाँ कंपनी DB के नीचे tables थे, यहाँ पर एक drop down जैसा arrow आ गया है, and if I click on that, it is showing me the list of the tables. What are the tables in this database? So since there is only one table so far, it is showing the same. यहाँ तक भी ठीक? Everybody with me? Okay. Okay, guys, let's keep it till here itself for today. It's already time also, and I see that you people have some of you have lagged behind. Despite I tried to go slow, and despite I was asking time and again that please interrupt me. You are very welcome to interrupt me if you are left behind. But yes, don't go in oblivion and you are silent and I am running, I am doing my things, and please don't let this happen. Understand my problem. You are not in the physical classroom. Had it been the case, I would. I don't know if anybody of you know me. I roam around a lot in my classroom. I don't sit in my chair. I keep having a look every 2 minutes, whatever you guys are doing. Now I am bound to sit in my chair. So please, it's your responsibility now to keep me in grasp. I may take off sometimes. So don't let that happen. Okay, guys, I'm stopping the recording now. But if there is any query, any problem so far, you are very welcome to shoot questions. So turning off recording for now.